Okay. Whoa, Hunter. Why do people turn on their hazards and go left and right? Like, so point of me not buying a bike is that first I can't afford it. आवाज़ आ रही है। तो देखो बाइक एकदम फ़िलहाल तो साफ़ है, एकदम साफ़ है, बट एक छोटी सी चीज़ जो बाइक में फ़िलहाल प्रॉब्लम है यार, कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है, इससे काम हो जाएगा। देखो चेन स्लैक देख रहे हो, मे बी ये थोड़ा सा लूज़ है, शायद कंफर्म नहीं है, तो चलते हैं इसको चेक करा लेते हैं। और बाइक अभी कोल्ड स्टार्ट हो रही है। ओह, गलती से एक्सेलरेट हो गया। एक तो हाथ पे कट लग गया है, बहुत दिक्कत हो रहा है। ये देखो, दिख रहा है, इस कट की वजह से बाइक चलाने में बहुत दिक्कत हो रहा है। थोड़ा सा डीप कट है तो हमको ऐसे ग्रैब करने में थोड़ा दर्द हो रहा है, इसलिए हम ऐसे करके गाड़ी चलाएंगे। ट्राई तो ऐसे ही करेंगे। और मेरे को एक काम कराना है, जैसा कि हम बोले कि चेन चेक करा लेते हैं एक बार। अगर चेन सही हुआ तो फिर तुरंत निकल जाएंगे। और ये देखो यहाँ के रोड की दुर्गति देखो। ये शॉप खुला हुआ होगा, भैया तुरंत से चेक करके मेरे को बता देंगे।
A few minutes later.
क्या जी? हाँ, यहाँ कैसे व्हीली मारेंगे? देख रहे हो, ये है माइंडसेट लोगों का, मतलब लोगों का नहीं, जैसे बच्चों का। राइडर है हाँ तो व्हीली मार के दिखाइए। अरे भाई, अच्छा ठीक है। तो देखो लास्ट व्लॉग में मेरे एक कमेंट आया था, हम देखे, हमको अच्छा लगा। वो कमेंट अच्छा था कि भैया आप एक कंप्लीट व्लॉग बनाइए इंग्लिश में, ठीक है? तो ठीक है यार, ये व्लॉग कंप्लीट इंग्लिश में रहेगा और ये एक डेली ऑब्जर्वेशन है। हम अभी जा रहे हैं, मेरे को छोटा सा काम है, हम काम कराते हुए सारा व्लॉग बना लेंगे और कंप्लीट इंग्लिश में रहेगा। और ये देखो, चलो गेट तो बंद हो गया, तो ठीक है भाई। शुरू किया जाए अंग्रेजी में व्लॉगिंग।
मेरे को तो ऐसा धक धक हो रहा है। मेरे को
क्या बोल हमको बड़ा अजीब लग रहा है यार। मतलब ऐसे देखो, बात करते करते हम बोल देते हैं तो अलग चीज़ है, लेकिन अब ऐसा है कि हाँ इंग्लिश में बात करना है, थोड़ा सा मतलब बोलते हैं ना, आदत नहीं है टाइप की बात है। पर ठीक है, आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट, बट देयर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम दैट इंग्लिश इज़ नॉट माई मदर टंग, सो आई एम डैम श्योर दैट आई वोंट बी एबल टू कम्युनिकेट विथ यू गाइज in a proper way, but I'll try my level best. So what I was talking about, that if you are a rider, you need to do a wheelie. If you can't do a wheelie, you are not a rider. So this is what I was talking about, like from where does this mentality comes? Like if you are a rider, you need to know how to do a wheelie, or you need to know how to do stunts. Like, where is the connection? Riding a bike is completely a different thing. To be honest, this is not those kids' faults, I guess, because YouTubers, some so-called YouTubers, literally boast about this, that I know how to do a wheelie, that I know how to do stunts, like how to do a burnout. So kids are not at fault here, to be honest. Point is that I know how to do a wheelie, I can do a wheelie, but why? Where is the connection? Who's at fault here? I guess YouTubers who promote such things. Maybe I'm the one. Back in the days when I learned how to do a wheelie, I made a video to how to do a wheelie. So this is my fault also, in a very small manner, I guess, but it is there. It's my fault also. But the moment I realized that it's very danger to promote this kind of things, I stopped doing wheelie on record. I do it sometimes for fun. I do it in a closed space, but I don't do it on public roads. So it's a very different thing, and people just don't care about safety. So you just can't tell them to stop doing this kind of things on public road.
It is what it is.
You guys must be thinking that where am I going today? What's the destination today? And to be honest, there is no destination today. I have a small work in Dhorwa. So I thought to take a long route to that place and make a small vlog about it. Me yapping about some random stuff. I need to get the tank pads very soon. Very, very, very soon. Because when I'm in speed and I apply brakes suddenly, I'm like this. I'm sitting like this while riding in a high speed. But when I apply the brakes, I'm like this. So the traction pad helps you to reduce the friction and helps you to grab the tank properly. Whoa, Hunter. Why do people turn on their hazards and go left and right? Like, hazard light is meant to use when you are in danger, not while you are riding on the road. What's the meaning of hazard? If you know the meaning of hazard, you will know the meaning of hazard light. It's simple as it is. It's simple. And wearing a half-face helmet, and I guess he's driving at nearly 90. It's a wind tunnel if you wear a half helmet and ride it at a speed of 80 or 90. It feels like you will not be able to hear things when you stop, and it can cause a serious problem of whistling noises in your ear. If you are a rider, you know this. And if you are new to this, welcome here. And I remember a comment in my last video that there was a comment, a guy was saying, are you planning to buy GT650? So to be honest, I am not thinking of buying any bike currently. I just can't afford it. So if you guys think that I'll be buying some bike, any bike, I can't even afford a second-hand Splendor. I just can't. So don't think that I'll be buying some bikes. No. It's not happening at least 2-3 years. So point of me not buying a bike is that first, I can't afford it. Second, when you have not enjoyed the bike you are currently on. I've ridden 13,000 kilometers on this bike and I don't think that I need to upgrade it. So I will not. And I don't think that currently any bike fulfills what I want. So I'll be planning and I'll be taking a lot of time just to figure out that which bike is going to be my next. I've noticed that the Chapri crowd have shifted to Royal Enfields. Like more and more Chapris are buying Royal Enfield. And every model of it, like people are buying Scram, no, not the Scram, 350 Classic, Bullet, every RE, they are buying RE nowadays. And I guess it's good. If I buy a KTM, I won't be a Chapri now. So it's good for many people, but it's very bad for many people. So everything has its pros and cons, and I guess in this situation I'm on the pro side. If I bought a KTM Duke 390 or an RC Duke 390, RC Duke 390, wow, I've just invented a new bike. But how will a Duke RC Duke 390 look? Will it have fairing or not? Will it be a naked? Best call is that a semi-fairing bike. Duke is naked, RC is a fairing bike. So we just combine it and make it a semi-fairing bike. See, I'm very good at designing bikes.
भाई आपका नॉलेज तो कमाल का है भाई का।
What the hell? जहाँ भी फ्री का टेलीविजन मिले ना बस देख लेना चाहिए थोड़ी देर। मार 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 मार, काट दे काट दे। जिस शॉप में हम आए थे वो तो बंद है, काम भी नहीं हो पाया। कर कोई नहीं, लेट्स गो बैक, नॉट टू गो बैक, लेट्स गो बैक। Okay, that was something new. That was a Skoda Slavia, right? Yes, that was a Skoda Slavia. I guess stage 2 tuned. My only guess. Let's go kaboom from this area as fast as I can, because I don't like to ride in this area very. Yeah, I sometimes do ride like a maniac. I know it very well, but not for long. Yes, that small stretch was enough for me to feel like a maniac, and I'm not going to do that again. So मैं हरमू पहुंच चुका हूँ guys, and it's high time that I ride proper. Oh, what the heck! 4 people on a bike. I won't talk about this. Like, why do you need to take your whole family on a single bike? Like, it's not safe. Why do people don't get this? You can buy a small car, you know, like the small cars like Alto, Celerio. Point is that no one buys it because buying a car is a status symbol in India. They won't buy a small car because they'll think what everybody will think, that I bought a second-hand car or something like that. So I guess this is the only reason people don't buy small cars, in my opinion. For this kind of situation, Ratan Tata launched the Tata Nano, and it was a brilliant idea. But as you know, people don't value the thing they have right now. But when it's gone, they start to realize that, oh my god, I love it. So that's the problem with every single person in this whole world. They just don't care when the thing is right in front of them actually. So that's the fact. दिल काला ना नजर काला, जो करता क्या लिखा हुआ है भाई? दिल काला ना नजर काला, जो करता है वो ऊपर वाला है। दिल काला ना नजर काला, जो करता है वो ऊपर वाला। वाह क्या बात है सर। अब बुरी नजर वाले तेरा मुंह काला कहाँ चला गया भाई? दैट वाज द OG लाइन, OG।